Hello! So it's been far too long since my last video, about 2 months. I haven't had really a full day again to work on my car, which is unfortunate, but you know, it's the way things go and you have priorities and other projects. But what we're going to have here is just a quick time lapse of the 2 other rooms being cleaned out. And then we're going to do a walkthrough and I'll show you guys what's been up and what's changed. Right, now that we're done with that, let's do a walkthrough. So, back room, I haven't done much. Be careful not to fall through the holes in the floor. But as you guys saw in the video, we have a lot more cleaned out. As you can see, the hallway is pretty much clear now. Be careful not to fall into anything. But here is some of the wall panels that have come out. Whoop! There we go. Some of the wall panels that have come out. This is the first small office room in the second part of the time lapse. And in the first part of the time lapse is, well, it was here, but as you can see, I have, taken down the walls. So they are these pieces here, some of these pieces. This is the electrical box that used to be part of the car. That's the old air tank for the brakes, and a lot of those parts are also well, what was the wall that used to run about there and here. There was the hallway there. So as you can see, big old holes in the floor, but I figured I would just somewhat carefully take down those walls before they fell. So we'll go through here, and the only other thing that's really changed is I have cut up the braces for these tanks so that now they're free and I can lug those out of here. Right, so I'm now back in the observation room. Yeah, that'll kind of be it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, a little bit shorter one. I don't really know what I can do to hit that 10-minute mark that YouTube seems to like, up until I really start, you know, putting this thing back together. When it gets moved, the goal again is going to be, you know, take out all the really nice stuff, the stained glass, or even, see if you can see that here, some of these light fixtures, some of the glass windows that still exist. All of that I'd like to reuse as much as possible. And you know what we can't all have to order, buy, or find. But as for disassembly, basically start at the top, work our way down. Probably with all these loose roof panels, those will come down first, and then we'll do a lot of these pieces along the second story to the clear story roof, and then a lot of the side metal pieces that'll be kept cleaned up, painted. Granted, when I say it like that, it sounds like it's really easy, but it'll be a challenge. But you know, yeah, there's another update. Thanks for tuning in. I hope everybody's been doing well. Bye.